Today we are going to learn about past simple tense. First of all, ask yourself the action you have completed, the action you had finished, then you used past simple tense. How? In a positive sentence, first use subject, verb की second form, and object. In a present simple, you say I play football. In a positive past simple sentence, you say I played football. मैंने फुटबॉल खेल लिया. Negative sentence subject plus did not verb की first form and object यानी I did not play football. Then a question helping verb always used before the subject did plus subject plus verb की first form plus object. Like did you play football? We always use first form when we are using did because did is also a second form of do. So always use first form of verb when you use did. Here is example of some past simple tense. For example, I played football yesterday. I did not play football yesterday. Did you play football yesterday? She read a book last night. She did not read a book last night. Did she read a book last night? They went to school by bus. They did not go to school by car. And did they go to school by bus? He had pizza for dinner. He did not eat pizza for dinner. Did he eat pizza for dinner? I listened to music in the morning. I did not listen to music in the morning. Did you listen to music in the evening? All these actions happened in the past and are finished. So that is why we are using past simple tense. Now it's time to learn past continuous tense. Ask yourself, was it happening? Yes, to use past continuous tense. Magic formula for positive subject plus was verb plus verb की first form plus ing. For the negative subject plus was verb plus not plus verb की first form plus ing. Question mark was verb plus subject plus verb की first form plus ing. Action was happening in the past. Easy memory trick past plus happening was verb plus verb की form ing. Understand and always use continuous form in the present या past continuous tense. Always use verb की first form ing. Here is some example of past continuous tense like I was reading a book in a positive. I was not reading a book in a negative. Was I reading a book in a interrogative? She was cooking in the kitchen. She was not cooking in the kitchen. Was she cooking in the kitchen? They were playing football. They were not playing football. Were they playing football? I was listening to music. I was not listening to music. Was I listening to music? All these actions were happening in the past and always use I with I, he, she and singular name, and where we use were with you, with they and we. Hope you guys got the past simple and past continuous tense, and if you have any, write down in the comment. Okay ji, Allah Hafiz and wait for the next video.